Well, it's time to survey the damage here from the wind last night. My awning came apart, but that's par for the course. Here's what happened to the greenhouse. Tipped over. Oh boy. Looks like those seeds over there in the corner, I think you can see them, aren't going to be much good. I'll have to take this thing apart and put it back over. At least it tipped over in one piece. Don't look like it's tore too much. Oh, there's a little hole in the roof, or on the side. Look at all over here. Just a mess. I'm gonna have to work on all this. Don't know what happened to the satellite dish up here. Get a shot of it. Just probably got misaligned because of the thing tipping over. Well, that's it. I shut this thing off and get to work.